how to fix OBS mic settings, no background noise or no hissing sounds. So let's get started. Firstly, get started with launching OBS Studio on your computer. If you don't have it installed yet, you can download it from the official OBS website. Once opened, you should see the main interface with various sections like scenes, source, audio mixture, and controls. Then, in OBS Studio, your microphone or audio input source is where you'll apply the noise suppression. First, identify the audio input source you want to enhance. Then, in the audio mixture section, find your microphone or audio input source. If you have not already added it, click on the plus button in the source section and select audio input capture and choose a microphone from the list. Then, with your audio input source selected, it is time to apply the noise suppression filter. In the audio mixer section, click the gear icon next to your microphone or audio input source. Then from the drop-down menu, select Filters. In the Filters window, click the plus button at the bottom left and choose Noise Suppression from the list. You will see options for the type of noise suppression, RN noise, higher quality, and speaks, more customizable. Choose the one that best suits your needs. RN noise is generally recommended for most users due to its AI-based suppression, but you can experiment with both to see which works best for environment. Adjust the suppression level if using speaks or simply leave it at the default settings for RN noise. After applying the noise suppression filter, it is crucial to test your audio to ensure it effectively reduces background noise without affecting your voice quality. In OBS, go to the controls and click Start Recording. Record a short clip while speaking into the microphone. Ensure you are in the typical environment where you will be streaming or recording to test how the filter performs under normal conditions. Stop the recording and play back the clip to evaluate the audio quality. Listen for any residual background noise or any distortions in your voice. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.